everybody, Cherish Messy Painter here. Today's painting is brought to you by leftovers. That's right, I am using up a whole bunch of leftover paint. It has been mixed for a couple of days. There are a mix of Amsterdam paints. I believe there is an Artist Loft white in there somewhere, and also Australian Floetrol for my swipe activator with titanium white from Amsterdam. I decided to do this spiral pour after trying to do a couple of cloud pours, but I wanted this one to be different. I wanted it to have two spirals, almost like a yin and yang painting. I had a lot of fun making this mess. I'm really happy I recorded it because I almost didn't, because I just wanted to play around with paint. So enjoy this. Please let me know what you think at the end. There is a small defect at the end, and I would love your opinion of what I should do about it. Thank you all for watching.
We're the last people standing, still dancing when the lights come on. The music is fading, but this is our favorite part. I used to feel like an outcast, but I think I'm alright after all. 'Cause you make me feel like I belong. You like me for me without all of the glitter, and you make me laugh just like a little kid. And all my insecurities just disappear when you're here with me. I've been a stranger to this feeling, never felt so high. Won't even care if you and I come crashing down tonight. I'll let it hit me, it feels different whenever you're around. If I'm blue again tomorrow, that's alright, 'cause I'm so damn happy now. When I'm at my darkest, you're always there to pick me up. I don't think that I'll tell you enough that I love you and how you light me up. I used to feel like an outcast, but with you I know that I belong. Like it's us against the world. You like me for me without all of the glitter, and you make me laugh just like a little kid. And all my insecurities just disappear when you're here with me. I've been a stranger to this feeling, never felt so high. Won't even care if you and I come crashing down tonight. I'll let it hit me, it feels different whenever you're around. If I'm blue again tomorrow, that's alright, 'cause I'm so damn happy now. We had a love like that. Why do I feel like that's slowly fading? We used to be friends, that was way back when. You and I, we were a slow burn, baby. Oh, we were young, so damn naive. Looked at the world through rose-colored glasses. You had your goals, then you met me. Did you let those dreams pass you by? I would never blame you if you left. No, I won't be the one to hold you back.
Okay, it's dry. It's pretty cool. I haven't done anything like this before, so I definitely want to try it again. The whole point of me, I don't know if you saw, I took the end of the paintbrush and I went through the gold to break it up and the white area here to break it up too, because I didn't really like that big chunk of gold and the white, and I actually now love that part. I think that's part of my, that's my favorite part. I love this right here and how it balances out this. It's really, really cool. Now I can show you the part. At the beginning of the video, I talked about I had to fix something. When I was all done recording, I stopped recording and I went to go move it while it was still wet, and there was paint dripping off of my gloves. And you can see it right there. A purple and silverish swirl landed and I almost cried. And I let it go. And what I've done is I've actually muted it a little bit with a little bit of gray paint over it. I just took a paintbrush, I watered down some gray and black paint together and just used the paintbrush and then dabbed it with a sponge brush. And that's what I have right now. When you look at it like this, you can't really see it that much. I mean, maybe you do. I don't see it that much because I'm looking at so many other focal points on it. But I was pretty upset. I mean, I feel as though I fixed it and it's still pretty awesome, but I'm bummed that happened. So I'm going to try this again. I really loved this spiral swirl double swipe. I would love to know if you have any suggestions for names. God, look at that purple right there. Oh, love it. Please let me know if you have any suggestions for the name. And if you have any color suggestions, because I'm doing this again, I have plenty of round canvases and wood canvases to do this again. So if you can think of any other color combinations, please let me know in the comments below. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please do so. It is completely free. And I will see you all in the next project. Thank you so much for watching.